Hey there, Chippewa sixth graders. I just wanted to come to you with an update about a few tweaks and changes I'm going to make. So for those of you in 7th hour that I've already had this week, this will pertain to you moving forward. And then those of you who I'm going to see tomorrow because you're in my 4th hour class or my 7B class, this will be important for you to know. So here we go. So if you are going to your Google Classroom on days that you have PE, that's going to be really great. Except if you're at school. If you're at school and have PE, you don't have to go to Google Classroom for PE. We're going to use 4A as my example class. So you're still going to go to class work, and here you'll see that we are going to change and start using the Google Meet instead of Zoom. Zoom's been giving me a little bit of a run for my money, so with letting kids in and kids can't get in. So we're going to try Google Meet and see if that solves our problems. It's really, really important that you are on right at the beginning of your class time, because we are only on together live for about 5 to 8 minutes, okay? So make sure you're doing that. Both can be found there. You are still welcome to use this course calendar and navigate to your task list that way, but I'm going to tell you an easier way to get to it now because I'm going to simplify your lives, hopefully. So you're going to see a topic based on the class you're in. So my 4th hour kids are having Phi-Ed on the 23rd and 24th. So that's going to be the topic. Underneath there is going to be the daily assignment. Okay, so if you are a blended learner at home for the day or a distance learner, so you're always at home, this is where you're going to go. So tomorrow, 4th hour kids, this is where you'll go for your assignment. Here's where the task sheet is. Super simple to get to. It's also an assignment, so you can easily, once you're done with it, turn it in. When you click on your task sheet, it's going to look very similar, with the exception of it's only 2 columns. One for my blended learners, one for my distance learners, okay? So, depending on if I see you in person once a week or not, determines which column you're in. So if you're always at home, you're always going to follow this right-hand column. If I see you once a week, let's say I see you on Mondays, then on Tuesdays, you're going to follow the left side of this sheet. If you're at home on Monday and I see you Tuesday, then on Monday, this is where you're going to go. That's the same for the Wednesday, Thursday. If I see you in person on Wednesday, then on Thursdays, you would do blended learning. But if I don't see you till Thursday, then on Wednesdays during your Phi-Ed time, you would do the blended learning column. So hopefully that clears up any confusion as to what you need to do during your time at home. These are not always going to be the same tasks, so it's really important that you follow correctly the correct one. Each of these blue highlighted are hyperlinks, meaning they actually are like a slideshow or a link to a form that help you navigate through what you need to do for class. And then you'll always complete a form during your class period to let me know that you did today's work. And then you'll turn it in. This will also, by tomorrow, be a hyperlink to the Google Meet, just in case you just want to go there and start that. So I'm hoping that this clears up any confusion about where you need to be and what time you should be logging in. So that, I was going to show you, can be found right up here in the corner, or if you're on your main screen, will be when I will see you. And so if I showed you for 4B, I see you at a little bit different time because we do split our time 4th hour. 7th hour, I just see you for those 50 minutes. So please let me know if you have any questions about what needs to be done moving forward. And I look forward to seeing some of you in the virtual world, and those of you who I get to meet in person still. I'm really looking forward to that as well. Have a great rest of your day.